Hi, I'm Katie B at Infinite Monkey Serum with Denver Yoga Social to teach y'all pyramid pose, Parsvottanasana. It's a standing pose that's going to work your hamstrings. So if this is your first time trying it out, I suggest you bring blocks or maybe 2 water bottles to give yourself a little bit of a cushion in the elevation for your balance. You're going to bring 1 foot forward and 1 foot back, a couple of feet behind the front foot. To increase the difficulty of the pose, you can widen your stance. Make sure that your feet are on 2 separate train tracks for stability, both toes facing forward, or you can choose to slightly out turn that back foot for stability. It's up to you. When you're ready, inhale, reach up. Exhale, hinge forward. As you hinge forward, push into the front big toe so that your hips are square. Bring the hands down to your blocks or bring them down to the floor. Wherever you are, pull your tailbone tall and reach through your crown. To increase the difficulty, you can bring your forehead to your shin. And if you'd like a little bit more, maybe you bring your hands reaching back behind you. Keep those hips square. If you'd like a couple more difficult arm variations, possibly